Hey everyone, welcome back to another FORTIFI dashboard how-to video. My name is Connor, and in this video I will go over how to check the status of your gateway and the radios connected to your gateway. So the first thing you want to do is click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Gateway Status under the Device Management tab. Here you'll see all the gateways associated with your account. To find the gateway you're looking for, you can either scroll through the pages below or use the search bar near the top to find your gateway. So once you find the gateway that you're looking for, you want to click the Actions button, and this will bring you to the Gateway Status main page. At the top, you can see the online status of the gateway along with the last time the gateway communicated with the dashboard. Now normally this text here is in gray, but if the gateway hasn't communicated in the amount of time set by the user, this text will turn red and the status will turn to offline. Next we have the signal strength section, and any value here that is greater than 10 is considered a strong signal strength. Next is the gateway heartbeat history, and this just shows you a graph of the history of when the gateway has or has not been able to communicate with the dashboard. And lastly, at the bottom, you can see the assigned devices that are associated with the gateway. These are the radios that have come with your system, and here you'll be able to see the status of each of the devices. And under last data received, you can see the most recent time that each radio has recorded. And again, the text will appear red if it hasn't reported in the allotted time. One thing to note here is that a timestamp won't appear right away if the radio has just been added to the gateway, but will come up when data has been received by the dashboard. So don't worry if nothing appears right away, as data will initially need about 15 to 20 minutes to make its way to the dashboard. But that is it for this video. If you have any questions, there's an email in the description, so feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you in the next video.